Hello everybody, welcome to ICIBC, the Scottish Confucius Institute for Business and Communication. This video will introduce the Chinese 24 solar terms. As a farming society, the changing of climate is very important to Chinese people. However, in the ancient age, the Chinese farmers don't have the advanced technology to predict the changing of climate. Therefore, the wise Chinese farmers found the regulator of climate change and invented the 24 solar terms. It can be written in a song, including 4 seasons. In spring, it is 春雨惊春清谷天. In summer, it is 夏满芒夏暑相连. In autumn, it is 秋处露秋寒霜降. And in winter, it is 冬雪雪冬小大寒. Each season has 6 solar terms. This video will not introduce all of them, but it will focus on some important solar terms. In spring, there are 2 important solar terms. The first one is the beginning of spring, 立春. There's a famous Chinese proverb, the whole year's work depends on a good start in the spring. Chinese people emphasize the beginning of spring very much. On this day, the Chinese people will eat the spring roll and drink the mutton soup to celebrate the beginning of spring. The next one is the spring equinox, 春分. The ancient Chinese people found in the spring equinox, the day equals with the night. That is because on this day, the sun directly shines to the equator, so there's a traditional activity for kids to play called erecting eggs. The egg has a great possibility to stand up because of the gravity. On this special day, the Chinese people will fly the kites to celebrate the beautiful spring and the lovely weather. Well, on the summer solstice, 夏至, the Chinese people found it has the longest day and the shortest night in a year. That is because on that day, the sun will directly shine to the Tropic of Cancer. It represents the longest day in summer. People will sacrifice to the ancestors and eat the cold noodles. Here's a Chinese proverb goes, in the summer solstice, we eat noodles, and in the winter solstice, we eat dumplings. As for the autumn equinox, 秋分, the sun directly shines to the equator again, so the day equals with the night again. Autumn is the season for harvesting, so people will eat 汤圆, the rice ball to represent reunion and harvesting, and the autumn spinach to celebrate this day. When the autumn ends, the beginning of winter, 立冬, the first winter solar term comes. It is the same solar term in both China and the UK. This day is considered as the beginning of winter. So, the Chinese people has a saying that when you eat 饺子 on the beginning of winter, your ear will not be cold in the winter. People will have the winter outdoor swimming and have the dragon dance to celebrate it. The next one is the winter solstice, 冬至. On this day, the sunlight directly goes into the Tropic of Capricorn, so it has the longest night and shortest day in a year, and the Chinese people will also eat 汤圆 to celebrate reunion with the family. The Chinese 24 solar terms represents the wisdom of Chinese farmers and common people. Even today, the 24 solar terms are still used in people's daily life. That will be all for today. For more Chinese culture, please focusing on us. Thank you very much.